Welcome to Automotive Control. We have a Mercedes GL 2012 with us. Today we've installed a brand new KENWOOD DMX9720, which is a 10-inch multimedia system, slightly adjustable on the angle, digital radio, standard Bluetooth FM, and also Android Auto, and this Apple CarPlay, which gives you the opportunity to have your Google Maps. So we're Automotive Control just there, Google Maps, communication, navigation, all your music apps, depending on what's on your phone will depend on what's compatible with the system. Steering controls all working. This vehicle also has full Harman Kardon audio, which all works as well, and we've also retained the factory reversing camera. That's the Mercedes parking camera retained as well. So we've retained every single feature and function on the Mercedes car itself, but upgraded it to have this fantastic 10-inch floating screen by KENWOOD. Thanks for watching.